I don't because I don't have connection here.
I do. I currently, actually, right now. I'm waiting for my phone to vibrate. Maybe I catch Pokemon.
No, but I want to see one. Somebody catch one. Nobody shows me. So.
Yes. Love it. Who was my starter? It was either. I mean, you got to go with Pikachu. I mean, he's the guy.
Charmander.
Charmander.
I know it's got to catch them all or something, but I don't know the whole thing.
I wanna be the best there ever was.
Not from the beginning, but like, gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon. Something like that.
I don't know from the beginning, but I just know the best part. You gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
I did. I love Pokemon.
I tried to, but I couldn't get into it. It was too many nerds. I'm sorry.
I have no idea what even Pokemon was when I was growing up. No, I didn't play Pokemon. I was not a fossil. I was a kid that actually did stuff and went out and played. I mean, I wasn't like these nerds right here. I mean, I was pretty much rich when they was playing Pokemon. I was doing bigger things. I mean, that's the truth. I mean.